Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? I hope all of you are okay. Today we have a conventions lesson and it will be about combining sentences. We will learn how to combine two sentences together to give me a new sentence. So I want all of you to listen and watch carefully. Let's get started. Before we start, I want all of you to remember what we learned about how to combine two simple sentences together. What tools we used. Do you remember? Three tools. The first one is and, but, or. So we use the three tools, one of them to make two sentences just one, and the new sentence is called a compound sentence. Okay, let's have an example. Sammy plays football. Ali swims. As you see, two sentences, two simple sentences. We want now to make the two sentences just one, a compound sentence. So we are going to use and. So Sammy plays football and Ali swims. As you see, we made the two sentences just one, the compound sentence. How do you know? Because we used and. But be careful. There's a comma before and the same is but or. Okay? When we combine two sentences, don't forget to put a comma before and, but, or. Okay? Now let's have some more examples. In the first example, we used and to add an information. Okay? But now let's see another tool to combine two sentences together. We can play Sony. Also we can watch a movie. So we have some choices and we need to choose. In this case we can use or. So to make two sentences together, just one sentence, and I have the option, I have to choose, we can use or. We can play Sony or we can watch a movie. So we used and to add an information, and we used or to give option, to choose, okay, between some choices. And now let's see the third tool, but. He studied hard. So the result is he should pass the quiz or the exam. The sentence says that he failed in the quiz. He studied hard, he failed in the quiz. So there is contrast between the two sentences. If there is contrast between the two sentences, we can use but. So he studied hard, but he failed in the quiz. So there is contrast, opposite meaning between the two sentences. As you see, we can use and to add an information. We can use or to give options and to choose. We can use but if there is contrast between two sentences. Okay? Let's go ahead. And now we will learn how to combine or when to combine two sentences. We can combine two sentences that have the same subject. Look at this example. Ali played football. Where is the subject? Of course it's Ali. Yeah. Ali scored a goal. Where is the subject of the second sentence? It's also Ali. So as you see, the same subject in the two sentences is just one. It's Ali. If we have the same subject, we can combine the two sentences together. So we can say Ali played football and scored a goal. If you note here, we didn't add a comma. Why? Because the subject is just one. Ali played football and scored a goal. Okay. We can also combine two sentences that have the same predicate. Do you remember what's a predicate? Let's remember together. Subject and predicate. The subject is who or what the sentence is talking about. The person or the place or the thing the sentence is about. And the predicate is what is the subject doing. Okay, it's talking about the subject. For example, Ali played football. Which one is subject and which one is the predicate? Be careful, the predicate starts with the verb till the end of the sentence. So the predicate starts with the verb and ends with the full stop. Okay? So where is the subject in this sentence? Tell me. Of course, it's Ali. And because the sentence is talking about Ali. Ali is the person the sentence is talking about. And what is the predicate? Played football. Why? Because it tells us what the subject is doing. Okay? Also, the predicate started with the verb. Okay? We have a subject and the rest is a predicate. Subject and predicate. Okay, look at this sentence and tell me which one is subject and which one is a predicate. Sarah and her friend were watching TV. Okay, of course the subject is Sarah, not just Sarah, Sarah and her friend. It's a compound subject. This is the subject. The sentence is talking about who? Sarah and her friend. What were they doing? Were watching TV. The predicate starts with the verb. So this is the subject and this is the predicate. Okay? Sarah and her friend is the subject and we're watching TV. Okay? So the subject is who or what the sentence is about. Okay? And the predicate, what is the subject doing. Okay? And also the predicate starts with the verb till the end of the sentence. Okay? Let's go back. So we can combine two sentences that have the same predicate. Okay? The same verb with the rest of the sentence. Look at this example. Ali played football. So the predicate here is Ali. Played football. The subject is Ali and the played football is the predicate. Who is this? Sammy. Doing what? Played football. Okay? So also the predicate here is played football. We have two different subjects, Sammy and Ali, but the predicate is the same. So we can combine them together to give me a new sentence, just one. As you see, Ali and Sammy played football. Okay, we combined the two sentences because they have the same predicate. Played football and played football. And the subject is different. Ali and Sammy. So we can say Ali and Sammy played football. Okay. Let's see what's next. Also we can combine two sentences using adjective. How? Okay, look at this example. Your balloon is big. So the adjective is big. My balloon is bigger. It is the same adjective. Okay, so we have two subjects that share the same adjective, so we can combine them together and use just one adjective to compare between them, as we learned in comparative adjectives. Look, my balloon is bigger than yours or your balloon. Okay, so again we can combine two sentences using an adjective. If we have two sentences that share the same adjective, we can combine them together and compare between the two subjects in the adjective. Okay, excellent. Sentences using an adverb. As we use the adjective, also we can use the adverb. Look, he did his homework, he did it quickly. So the second sentence is just a repetition for this first one. It's the same. He did it, it means he did his homework. Okay, so the difference is just the adverb. So if we can take the adverb and put it in the first sentence, so there will be no need for the second sentence. Here the adverb is quickly, so we can say he did his homework quickly, as you see. Okay, so we made the two sentences just one by leaving out the rest and taking the adverb and put it at the end of the first sentence. Okay, see what's next. Also, we can combine two sentences using a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase, if you remember, contains a preposition plus a noun. Okay, for example, on the books. On is the preposition and books is a noun. That's what we call prepositional phrase. And the noun after the preposition is called object of a preposition. Okay, let's see an example. I saw a bird. It was on the tree. So, where is the prepositional phrase? Of course, it is on the tree. On the tree. So, we can make the two sentences just one by adding what? The prepositional phrase to the end of the first sentence. I saw a bird, it was on the tree. We can leave out the rest of the second sentence and take the prepositional phrase to the first one to make them just one. Okay? Also, we can combine two sentences using an and appositive. What's the appositive? It's a noun or a noun phrase that comes after another noun. Why? To give information about it, because I don't know it. Okay, so the appositive is a noun or a noun phrase that follows another noun to show it, to give us more information about it. Look at this example. I made a mural and I don't know what's a mural, or who I am talking to doesn't know what's the meaning of a mural. Okay, so I add another sentence to show what's a mural. A mural is a wall painting. So we can make the two sentences just one by saying I made a mural. We add comma, then the noun phrase or the noun that give information about the first one. I made a mural. A mural is a wall painting. The second sentence is talking about the mural. It defines it. So we can omit this noun and just add comma and we add the definition. Okay, this is what we call appositive. Okay, that's enough for today. Homework will be page 4 11. Okay, good job guys, study well, stay home, stay safe, till we meet again, goodbye.